Rolling na? Okay. Good evening, ladies and germs. My name is Jobcas. Welcome back to another episode. And in this episode, we're gonna talk about optimism and cynicism. So before we start, what's the definition of both? So here's the definition of optimism. Please pause. Okay, welcome back. I hope you read that and you chewed another information, find some wisdom in it. And here's the definition of cynicism. Pause. Okay, welcome back. And I hope that you find some wisdom in it. And I'm here to discuss both because I have observed people my age, 20, say 18 to 20s, in their 18 to 20s, that it's either they are too optimistic or too cynical. And it's bad that we become too optimistic or too cynical. The thing that we should do, or the thing that people my age should do, is stay in the middle. Kuha mo. The reason why people are too optimistic because they are driven by a positive emotions. And when emotions make our decisions, it will be illogical. It's not calculated. The decisions or the outcomes of a decision is not calculated. Why? Because we conclude out of a feeling. And when we become too cynical, it's not good as well. Because we see things in a negative way. For example, take this as an example. We will succumb into our comfort zone. We will just stay there, say mabulok na lang tayo dun. And that will not be good. So, cynical people does is when, let's say, they want to approach someone and see things in a cynical lens. What happens is when they approach someone, they see the negativity in that person. So, let's say, this person is motivated by their self-interest. They hear because they know that they can get something up from me. That's why they are helping me. Now, that's a statement from a person with a cynical lens. And that's not good as well because it will not produce anything productive or produce anything good. So that we should stay in the middle. That's kuha mo. That's it for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching this episode, and thank you for giving me your time in helping you in providing some realizations in life. Hopefully that I help, and my past 2 episodes help. If not, please watch it, and I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Oh, by the way, if you have any comments, any positive or constructive comments, please leave them down below. I'm always open for a new learning, for a new perspective. I'm always open for seeing new things in a different light. Please let me know if you have something in mind, or if you have something to ask, and hopefully I can make a video out of your question. And I am humbled by you watching this video. Thank you very much, and God bless. Bye.